Dear students, the last class we have discussed the topic the flower school. So far we have discussed the stanza 1, 2, 3. Before going to the stanza 4 and 5, I want to discuss about the stanza 1, 2, 3, that is your recapitulation of your memory or recollection of your memory. That means what, whether you have remembered or not. I want to know from you, so that is the part recollection of your memory. What is the first stanza was there, what you have remembered? That first stanza says, with the advent of monsoon, you remember the first stanza, with the advent or the coming of the monsoon, there we see storm clouds with rain, shower of rain is there. When monsoon comes, there is a shower of the rain or drizzling of the rain, and at the very moment we see all where the east wind, the wind which coming towards east, that is wet. Here the speaker want to say the east wind blows over the grassland, not only the grassland and also over the wild plant. Here wild plant is your bamboos. When it goes through the bamboos, when the wind blows through the bamboos, it makes a very beautiful sound. That sound is produced from the bagpipes. Stanza 1 you remember about. Stanza 2, what was the stanza 2? Then there appears a large number of flowers after rain. When rain, there are a large number of flowers come out suddenly from the earth. No one knows that where they were actually, and they dance merrily. In glee, that word was glee. They dance merrily. The flowers dance merrily they are with the blow of the wind. Third stanza what we have discussed in the last class, the speaker is the child. The speaker wants to say, ask his mother that the flowers have gone to their school to learn. That is, why do not we see flower all round the year? Again the flower continue their study. Where their school? Their school is under the ground. And how they study there? By closing the doors of the classroom with utmost silent. They study there, and if they come before the finishing their study, their teacher make them stand in the corner. So far we have discussed that the stanza 1, 2, 3 in the last class. Now we will switch over to stanza 4 and 5. Okay, we will go to stanza 4 and 5. When the rains come, they have their holidays, branches clash together in the forest, and the leaves rustle in wild wind. The thunder clouds clap their giant hands, and the flower children rush out in dresses of pink and yellow and white. Very nice one, you think over it very nicely, it has been stated. When rains come, when there is rain, they have holidays. They have holidays means the flowers have the, when rain comes, they have their holidays, the flowers have holidays. What are the scenery there? The branches clash together. You see, when wind blows, the branches of the trees clash together. Clash here means hit against one another. The branches hit against one another in the forest. At the very moment, the leaves rustle in wild wind. Wind blows heavily. The wild wind means the wind blows heavily there, and that with the heavy wind, the dry leaves rustle. Rustles means the sound of the leaves. Okay, that makes a rustling sound. And besides that, there is thunder clouds. Very nice. What is the scenery is there? When there is rain, they have their holidays, and the very moment the branches class together in the forest. With this, there is the sound of the leaves. Again, there is a thunder cloud. Thunder cloud in the which way? Clap their giant hands, giant hands. When you see the clouds meet together, they have a very big sound. When the cloud meet together in the sky, they have a very big sound. That big sound is known as the giant sound. Okay, they are heavy. They clap means they are clap in a big sound. The sound produces. At the very moment, there is rain. Okay, so the children come out. Who are the children? The flowers come out with different dresses. This means you see that it is different colors. They are pink, yellow, white, and so on. That means when there is rain, they have holidays. There is the scenery is the branches clasped together, the rustle of the leaves, and there is a thunder. Giant thunders have their hands together, and at the very moment the flowers come out with different colors. Okay, stanza 4 is over. We will discuss some questions of the stanza 4. What do we read? That we have to know. When do the flowers have their holidays? Very nice question. The flowers have their holidays when the monsoon comes. How do the flower children enjoy their holidays? We enjoy holidays when there is rain. So also during holidays, the flower children come out of their school with pink, yellow, and white dresses. They move to and fro merrily. Okay. How do the flower children enjoy their holidays? Their holiday begins when there is rain. And how they enjoy it? Means in during holidays, they came out from their school, which is under the earth, in different colors. In different color here is it pink, yellow, white, and others. They move here and there merrily in glee with the moving of the wind. Question number 3. Where do the branches clasp together? Where? Where is particular, you know it? Where? Very nice. Yes, the branches clasp together in the forest. The forest, the branches clasp together, tussle together. Question number 4. What rustle in the wild wind? Rustle, I have told you, a sound produced by the leaves of the trees. What rustle? Very easy one. Okay. What rustle in the wild wind means the leaves of the tree rustle in the wild wind. Question number 5 you have. What are described to have giant hands? Very important question, you remember. What are described to have giant hands? Giant means I have told you very big. Very big. When I have told you, when clouds come and they tussle each other, automatically they produce. In the rainy season, you might have seen there is a huge clouds we see, and all of a sudden there is a sound, but we see the light, then after that we hear the sound. So the question number 5 also tells what are described to have giant hands. The thunder clouds are described to have giant hands. Giant means very big, we can say, giant hands. The clouds are very big, we can't measure. So thunder clouds have their very big hands, very big hands. When we clap our hands, it makes a sound definitely. So the thunder clouds are here described as the very big hands. When they meet each other, they make a very big sound. Okay? The stanza 4 is completed. Okay, students. So far we have discussed stanza 4. Now we will discuss about stanza 5 and other what is remaining, the question part, and test your knowledge. So you come to stanza 5. Explanation of the stanza 5. First I am just reading the stanza 5. Do you know, mother, their home is in the sky where the stars are. Do you know, mother, where their home is in the sky where the stars are. Have not you seen how eager they are to go there? Do not you know why they are in such a hurry? Of course, I can guess to whom they raise their arms. They have their mother as I have my own. Okay, we will discuss one after another. You listen very carefully. The last stanza is very important. Do you know, mother, their home is in the sky. Here, dear students, you tell me, what do you mean by there? There here means the flowers. Their home is in the sky where the stars are, where stars are twinkling. That means the flowers want to go to their home, that home is in the sky where number of stars are there. First line clear? Come to the second line. Have not you seen how eager they are to get there? That means, mother, you have not seen. The child is asking to the mother. You see the picture, the mother with the child. The child is asking to the mother again, the mother, whether you have seen or not, have not you seen that how the children, here the children, the flower children are very much eager. Eager means excited to get there. There means to the sky. Why do the flowers very much eager? Everyone, you listen please, my dear students. When there is holiday, when your school closes, you see, you think about your commotion, that you are very much eager to go, and at the gate you see that is very rush is there. So, the flowers are also very much eager to go to their home. Their home is in the sky. Do not you know why they are in such a hurry? Why they are very quick or they are very speed? Because they want to meet their mother. Their mother is waiting anxiously in the sky. Of course, I can guess to whom they raise their arms. Raise their arms, you see the flowers or raise their hands. Okay, raise their hands. Always you see the flowers always have their face towards the sky. Here the speaker wants to say they are raising their arms towards the sky because their mother is there. The mother is waiting and they are also very anxious, so they are raising up their hands towards the sky. The last line you think over it, very important. Who is the writer? The writer is Rabindranath Tagore. They have their mother as I have my own. They have their mother, I have my own here means very interesting is there. The last line you think it very carefully. When Rabindranath Tagore was a young one, at that stage he lost his beloved mother. Right now he is thinking about his longing after the mother. That means his mother is in the sky. Now writer Rabindranath Tagore is acting as a child. He is thinking that his mother is in the sky, like the mother of the flowers. The flowers also wants to go to the sky. So also my mother, that have their mothers, that I have my own. I have my own, I means the speaker is the child, or we can say the writer have my own. That means I means that his mother is no more. So he also eager to meet his mother. Okay, 5 stanza is clear. Now we will see the questions of 5 stanza or stanza 5. To whom the speaker sharing his thoughts with? Very nice question. The speaker is sharing his thoughts with his mother. The speaker is sharing his thoughts with his mother. Where is the home of the flower children? The home of the flower children is in the sky, where stars are there. Okay, Where is the home of the flower children? The home of the flower children is in the sky. What does the speaker guess? What does the speaker guess is means? The speaker guesses that the flower children raise their arms to their mother. That means the flower always, you see the flower looks like towards the sky. So, the writer wants to say, the speaker wants to guess that the flower is always looking or raising their hands to their mother. They want to meet their mother very soon. So, what does the speaker guess? The speaker guesses that the flower children raise their arms to their mother. The fourth question, why were the flower children in a hurry? That means in a quick. The flower children in a hurry because they want to be their mother as early as possible. Why are the flower children in a hurry? The flower children in a hurry because they want to be their mother as early as possible. Then stanza 4, stanza 5 we discuss, then we will see what is the summary of stanza 4 and 5. In a nutshell, I want to discuss you. That is recapitulation of stanza 4 and 5. Stanza 4 states what is that? The flowers have their holidays when there is rain. When rain begins, there is holiday for the flower. With the wind, the branches of the trees, the scenery has been mentioned. With the wind, the branches of the trees clashes together or the clash together. Leaves rustle, make sound. Thunder clouds make big sound. Okay. The scenery is there. When there is rain, we can see there is a tussle or the clash of the branches of the trees, and the sound of the leaves we can see or the hear, and there is a thunder clouds make the big hands or the giant hands, the sound of the thunder. At the very moment, the flower children come out with the different colors or the different dresses in the stanza 4. They come with a different dresses, that is pink, yellow, white and so on. Then come to the stanza 5. Stanza 5, what we have discussed just, the speaker says to his mother about the home. The home of the flowers. Where is the home of the flowers? The home of the flowers is in the sky, where stars are there. Okay. Stars here symbolize the mother of the flowers. Also stars symbolize mother of the speaker. The mother is dead right now. The mother is the mother of the speaker is no more. The speaker is thinking about the mother, longing after her. Their home is in the sky where stars are there. Where there is a twinkling stars, the home of the flower is in the sky. So, they are very eager to go there after the school. When the school is finished, you see this is the similar to you. That means the flowers are always compared to the school going children. When the school is over, the children were very eager to go to their home. So, that they are very eager to go to their house, or that house is in the sky, okay, after the school. So, I think this stanza 4 and 5 is clear to you. Next we will go to our knowledge. I want to test your knowledge. What you have read in stanza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I want to test your knowledge. What idea you have got, whether you have able to understood the topic very clearly or not, then I will ask these questions. And that question is, answer the following questions in about one word or phrase. So, my first question is, how does the moist east wind come? Okay, moist east wind, that means wet wind we can say. How does the moist east wind come? The moist east wind comes marching over the heath. Marching over the heath means, marching means stepping one after another over the grassland or the bushes. The must wind comes marching ahead. How do the crowds of the flowers come out? That means how? That means in which way the number of flowers come out? They come out suddenly. That means our answer will be the crowds of flowers come out suddenly, come out all of a sudden. Then we have the question number 3. What is the question number 3? How do the flowers do their lessons? You do your lessons, flowers also do their lessons. The flowers do their lessons by closing the doors of their classroom. Okay, answer understood or not? Again I want to repeat. How do the flowers do their lesson? The flowers do their lesson by closing the doors of their classroom. Okay. Question number 4. When do the flowers have their holidays? When do the flowers have their holidays? The flowers have their holidays when the monsoon rains come. When you have also holidays, when rain is there. So, when do the flowers have their holidays? The flowers have their holidays when the monsoon rains come. Question number 5 is there. What are the bamboo plants compared to? Important one, you note down please. The bamboo plants are compared to the bagpipes. The bamboo plants are compared to the bagpipes. That bagpipes I have shown you the pictures, you know that when the wind blows over the bamboo, that it makes a beautiful sound. So, that beautiful sound produce the same as the bagpipes. At the right now the bamboo also produce the beautiful sound, the pleasant sound we can say. Okay. Then we will go to our next part, that next part is the fill in the blanks. That in the examination different questions come. So, according to I have designed this one. So, next one is your fill in the blanks. What is fill in the blanks? You see the first question is very easy one. Storm clouds means a dark cloud which may bring dash. I have given you the dash. Also you can easily say that the storm clouds means a dark cloud which may bring dash. Dash here means the rain. The storm cloud what brings you the rain. Second question, we will go to the fill in the blanks. The second question. The second question is the east wind comes marching over the heath. The dash wind I can say, the dash east wind comes marching over the heath. The dash east wind, you can write wet or you may write moist wind, both will be right. The moist wind, east wind comes marching over the heath. Third question, the flowers dash upon the glee. The flowers dash upon the glee means dance. Question number 4, the flowers dance upon the grass in dash, in glee, that means in happily. The flowers dance upon the grass in dash, in which way? That is in glee or happily we can say. The flowers go to their school. The flowers go to their school dash. The school is dash. The school is underground. The flowers go to their school underground. Question number 6. The doors of the classroom are dash so that the flowers children cannot go out. That means the doors of the classroom are shut. Yes. Come to the question number 7. When the rains come, the flower children have their dash holidays. The dash season is said to be the holidays for the flower children, the rainy season. The thunder clouds dash their very large hands, clap there. The last question, the flower children are very dash to get there, very eager. So, we discuss the topic in a vivid way. Now, we want to wind up this program, and if any doubt you may contact regarding the matter, and I think everything is okay, and wish you all the best and have a nice day. Thank you all.